Now we have for you here this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2-litre TDI line, 4-motion DSG, 190 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, some lovely black roof rails, a forward collision warning, a rear view camera, and these 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's massive. As well as that, it's very spacious, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has heated front seats, 3-zone climate control, and a panoramic glass roof. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.